Team Zweleka and Lazarus is very happy this week, and if Zweleka and Lazarus are happy, then that automatically means that Uhlati we are go. So let us talk about that and more here on this video, ladies and gentlemen. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. The case for Bavumile's custody is not even in court yet, and Hlathi is already losing. It looks like no matter what kind of illegal techniques he's trying to use, Nongceba is always one step ahead. No, Nongceba's recent discovery got everyone shocked. So Nongceba discovered that Hlathi has been paying bribes to people trying to stop Zweleka from accessing Qhawe. Now, this got fans of the show confirming what they've been saying all this time, and that is the fact that Hlathi doesn't deserve Bavumile because he also denied Zweleka Qhawe. So this is karma getting into him. And speaking about Qhawe, she came out on the recent episode and told Lazarus and Zweleka that they should just give Hlathi what he wants and not deny him his rights of being Bavumile's father. Now, fans are at her throat saying that we are Papa and that she doesn't know her place. And ngiyayibona yonke lento leyo Qhawe and everything. What got me thinking a lot this week is the amount of bribes that Hlathi paid. You know, I thought Hlathi was a poor guy, and that the 5 million that she got from Zweleka was his first millions and stuff. You know, I don't know why I thought of that, but I got so shocked when Nongceba stated that he paid 2.5 million just to bribe people. I was like, Kanti, how much was this guy making back then? If he was making that, if he was making that much back then, so how much is he making now? But anyways, that is not important, ladies and gentlemen. Just comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.